Hi guys, this is Birdwatcher again. I want to do another video on how to get cotton Wemp very fast. So here's how you're going to do it. You're going to make a bind key. Bind B forage, F-O-R-A-G-E. I believe we'll just make sure I'm right. F-O-R-A-G-E. I said it right, and then I typed it wrong. Enter. As long as it says it's saved, it worked. Then you just hit the up button one time on your keyboard. And then since V is right next to that, you put the V in. I chose those two buttons. You can choose whatever you want. You just want to keep your mouse on the ground. Here's what I do. I just click both my buttons and I walk forward on tiles. To me, it's easier. This is the fastest way to do this. You can even get coins this way also. If you are lacking money, you can do this and it's really easy. I used to do this sometimes for an hour and a half on Wurm Online, and I would get coins, sometimes 3 hours. It just depends on how lucky you are. But it's very simple to do. And sometimes you'll get coins, sometimes you won't. Sometimes you'll get Wemp, sometimes you won't. It's kind of a gamble. But there's a lot of different grass tiles. You just have to go over a grass tile and click it, and then you just sit around and wait. So, see if you got it or not. I check every tile because you never know. Hey, I got corn. Look at that. This is also how you get your veggies. All your stuff. You can look down more if you want, since we're in first person. Walk over the tiles, but if you walk into an animal, you're gonna be sad. Let me make sure I didn't miss one. But this is all you have to do, and you can get tons of stuff. I'll just keep my window open as we do this until we get a piece of it. I want to make sure that I set my B key. B and V for. Oh, I did. Okay, I did it wrong. I knew I did something wrong. You want to set up botize too. So B-O-T-A-N-I-Z-E. Enter. So B and V are the keys I'm using. Now we'll go back and botize them all. There we go. Wemp instantly. As soon as I fix that key, I'll go over these keys, make sure that I'm not missing anything important. But that's how you get your Wemp for your boat making. You botize. Your cotton too. We'll see how much we can get here in just this little tiny area. Just so I can show how easy this is, because it's not very hard. There's your garlic. Garlic would be really good if we run a different server and we were a different type of priest. I'll go into all that later in different videos, but so I'm foraging and I'm botanizing. All I'm looking for right now is Wemp and or cotton. And look, I got money. So sometimes when you're doing it, you can also run into money. It was that easy. I want to let my server know that how fast it was for me to get that. because it's pretty easy, guys. This isn't hard to do. You just have to be willing to do it. And I don't know if you ever heard that saying, if there's a will, there's a way. It's the truth. It's very easy, actually. You just walk around. Yeah, not here. He's right. He's right. He's right. Not here. It's not time consuming. In Wurm it was, but I did it for 8 hours a day to get money if I needed something. You can do it. If I want, I paid for deeds like this before, actually, believe it or not. It's very possible. And this is all you have to do. I want to see how long it's going to take to get a piece of cotton. All I need is one. I got a coin faster than I got a piece of cotton. I mean, come on. Who's that lucky, right? I should have entitled this video "How to Find Iron Coins," not "How to Find Cotton Quickly." But this is exactly how you do it. I just got lucky, got a coin. But one of my friends that she was on my deed, she didn't want to pay for the game back in the day when you had to pay for them. And she did this all day, and she made like 20 silver in no time at all. Look, guys, I'm so full, I'm going to drop all of this on the ground. It's telling me my inventory is full. I don't want any of that stuff.
Here we go.
Let me make sure I don't have cotton in my inventory. I'm not just picking it up somewhere and it's going somewhere else. I go just to make sure. Oh, I got wheat. Wheat's really good, actually. I'm gonna keep that. See, some of this stuff you need, like, it's good for you to have. I like wheat for animal taming, if I can get that out correctly. Oh, 2. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. That's twice. Oh, I have lots of stuff here. This is how you grind and worm, basically. I'm just gonna get rid of all of this. I'm not worried. I just have my bind keys and I just walk around and I click them. Everywhere I walk. Hey, Bliss is messaging me. What? Good job. I just spam forge botize, forge botize. That's all you gotta do, guys. You get coins, you get all the stuff you need to make ships. How I haven't got caught yet, I don't know, but we're gonna go for it until we do. Look at all the Wemp I have so far, guys. I can make a rope already. The Wemp that I have. I can already make a rope. But we haven't got lucky. To get caught in that. Hey, go ahead, Rehab. What's your worm question, bro? As I'm recording this video, I'm live streaming, guys, so if you're watching the video and you haven't checked out my stream yet, you're welcome to check out my stream. Alright, guys, so that's all you gotta do. Forge and botanize, forge and botanize. So you get it, you're gonna get coins, you're gonna get Wemp. You can plant the Wemp, but that's how you do it. That's how you get copper, and that's also how you get your Wemp to be able to make the ropes, to be able to make boats. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching them, please.